Hi, welcome to the video lecture about email protocol. Myself, M.Naveenraj, Assistant Professor, IoT Department, SNS. So, today's topic will be email protocol in the subject of computer networks. Okay, so normally in day-to-day life we are using email, right? So, it is better to know about how this email protocol works. Because every day we are using this, but actually what happens behind this, some of them are unknowingly using this email. So that's why I have given this video. So from this you can identify how the email protocol has been worked. Normally what is email protocol is a standardized method, okay, used to send, receive and access email message between the client and server. Okay, so the commonly used email protocols are SMTP. You all know that for the basic type is SMTP, that is simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, the main purpose of this SMTP will be used to send emails from client to server or so between the mail servers. Okay, so main purpose is to send emails from client to server or between the mail servers. This is the main purpose of this SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. So next, what are the port numbers we are using for this SMTP will be 25. Port number 25 will be your default one, and port number 587 for your secure transmission. Okay, so we have to be very careful when you are sending emails, and we have to avoid thefting of our data, right? So we have to use port number 587 for your secure transmission. So this email client uses, first initially this email client will use SMTP to send the email to the mail server first. Okay, this email client uses SMTP to send the email to the mail server. Then mail server then uses SMTP to find the message to recipient, to forward the message to the recipient's mail server. Okay, so normally the email client will use the SMTP to send the email to the mail server. Then the mail server will use the SMTP to forward the message to the recipient mail server. Okay, so this is the process. Then POP3, that is Post Office Protocol, POP3, Post Office Protocol, used to receive emails from mail server to the local client. So first initially email client will be uses SMTP to send the email to the mail server. Then the mail server then uses the SMTP to forward the message to the recipient mail server. Then POP3, Post Office Protocol, this is to receive the email from mail server to the local client. So here the port number 110 will be a default one, and the port number 995 will be used for secure SSL connections. Okay, so then what it does, it will downloads the email from server to the client. Okay, and it deletes the message from server after the downloads. This is the email protocol works when respect to the request given by the client. Okay, then the major limitations, the main limitations of this email protocol will be, then access to the email is limited to only one devices. So this is the major drawback of the client. So normally what this email protocol is used is will be, then it is a standardized method to send, receive and access all the email message between the client and server. Then it contains, normally the message will contains, every message will have some envelope, right? So it contains the header and you will have the body, then you will be having the footer. So this helps to identify who sends the message from actual sources. Okay, so what is the actual message contains, the what is the head main aim of this message, what is the body of this message, and what it comes to say. Okay, so this is very actual informations will be sent to body of the message, but before that we have to give some introduction about this message, so we will have some headers also. Okay, this is normally commonly used mail transfer protocol will be the SMTP. So similarly you have used 25 port number for default and 587 for secure connections, but the email then you receives the SMTP to forward the message to the recipient mail server, then the mail server will use to receive the local client. Okay, then the port number 110 will be used as default at the client side, and the 995 for your secure SSL connections. Okay, so now but the major limitations of this email protocol will be it will be accessed only on devices only. So this is the major protocol.